wait, wait to cross. Wait, wait. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait to cross.
Australian walk signal. Sign's on wrong. Look at that.
Wait, 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 wait to cross.
Yeah, that traffic light. So very recently, that traffic pole got into an accident again a couple of days ago, and then they installed a. It actually does look like it's been used. They just put the traffic pole back up and one traffic light there.
Wait, 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 wait. Wait, wait, wait. Wait. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. Wait to cross.
Oh, sorry about the zoom.
Wait, 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 wait to cross.
We're gonna get an arrow in a second. Those two buttons were originally like a GPS without the way feature, and then they installed all new. Okay, this one has the arrow pointing right.
Wait, wait to cross.
This one over here has its arrow position right. All of them do the double yellow, double high pitch beat.
Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait to cross.
Here we go. Australian walk signal, boys. Ooh, yeah. 22 seconds.
Wait, wait, wait to cross.
Thankfully, all the buttons on this intersection are working. The one at Wetmore in Oracle has one faulty button on it.
Wait, 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 wait to cross. Wait, 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 wait to cross. Wait, 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 wait.
At least the wave works.
Wait, wait.
It's got a number on the bottom. It says 52.
Wait, wait, wait to cross.
Also, this one's got all screws attached.
Wait.
The traffic light was reused. That's why it looks like that. That's it.